point all of you. This is the next Java question which we are going to solve. The question is based upon the Java data types. If you are taking the byte size is the 8-bit signed integer, short 16-bit signed integer 30-bit signed integer, long 64-bit signed integer. Here, if you are taking the input format, the first line contains an integer t denoting the number of test cases. Means how many test cases we are passing. Each test case t is comprised a single line with an integer value n. Means its meaning is like this one. For example, if they give the lesson, the first value is a 5. 5 stands for, they will provide the 5 input values. We have to tell that where the minus 50 can be inserted. Whether it can be inserted into the byte or a short or a log here. Actually, if you are taking the minus 50, the minus 150 can be fitted into short, integer and the long here. We have to display this message. If you are taking the 1,50,000, it is set into the integer and the long here. We have to display this message. The byte is less than short, short is less than integer, integer is less than long here. Here already they wrote the code as up to this one. If x is greater than equals minus 128 to minus plus 127, we can print the value as a byte here. Means its meaning is in the if condition they are taking the byte smallest value as well as the largest value. They are taking the bytes smallest value as well as the largest value. In the same way, we have to take the largest value as well as the smallest value of the short integer. Here, for this purpose, I wrote the code like this one. If the x value is greater than or equals to, if the x value is greater than or equals to, if the x value is greater than or equals to, for the short point of we are having the class short dot minimum underscore value, and x is less than or equals to short dot maximum underscore value. Next, here if it is satisfying these two conditions at the time, it can be fitted into the short integer range. In system dot out dot println and it can be fitted into the short range. We are displaying this as the short, and I am putting the semicolon here. Means whenever the x value is greater than or equals to short as well as the less than or equals to short maximum value, then it is fitted in the short point of view. Okay. In the same way, if we are having the integer, for the integer also the same procedure. For the integer point of view also we are writing the same code. Okay. For the integer point of view, we can write the code as the like this one. We can write the code like this one. If x is greater than means integer dot minimum underscore value and integer dot maximum underscore value, then it can fit in the integer. If you want to set the value to the long integer, x is greater than equals to minimum underscore value, x is less than the maximum underscore value. Here the short, int and long, these are representing the data type wrapper classes, and mean value represents the minimum value and represents the maximum value. Means x is satisfying the minimum maximum value, it is fitted in the corresponding data here. Now I am trying running this code. Yes, all the test cases have been satisfied. Next, I will go to the submit button. Yes, the intent is also satisfied here. In this way, you can solve this problem.